What's up, everybody? Welcome to the vlog. I got a couple boxes in the mail from Amazon the other day, so gonna go ahead and pop those open. I'm pretty sure you guys probably already know what it is, but if not, you're about to find out. Okay, so got everything out of the box, and here's what we got. So got the Iwata Irgunsa 9230 HVLP gun. Actually, it's the high transfer efficiency version. I got the 3M PPS system along with the adapter for that, and a 3M AccuSpray airflow control valve. So basically got my whole gun setup purchased and everything. Just wanted to give a shout out to Paint Society. If you guys don't watch his YouTube channel, you've been sleeping underneath a rock, but I love, that's one of my favorite YouTube channels to watch. I learned a lot of stuff from that guy. His name is Brian. So yeah, check him out. But yeah, this was one of the videos he did or whatever. He tested out this system, and basically he was able to do sealer, base coat, and clear coat with just this one gun and a 1.3 tip. So that's what I am going to go with myself for this project. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get these unboxed and check them out. Alright, so got everything out of the box. Went ahead and took the gun apart a little bit just to verify that it did in fact have a 1.3 tip, which it does. Got the regulator, and went ahead and unboxed the PPS system also. From what I gather from the videos that Brian does for Paint Society, he never ever uses these that come with the actual guns or whatever. He's always got one of these PPS systems on his guns or whatever. He never really went into detail like why that I've seen in any other videos of his, but I can only assume it's because you basically have you've got this little insert for these cups, and you have the adapter. It's basically, you could already have one of these ready to go for your primer or your sealant, and I'm guessing one ready to go for with your base coat and another with your clear. And basically you just pop it on, spray your sealant or your primer, take that off, clean the gun real quick, throw the next one on with your base coat, and so on and so forth. So I'm guessing it's just for a kind of a speed type thing, ease of use. That's the only reason I can see. But this kit came with a bunch of these inserts and a bunch of these pieces here also that I'm guessing these go on for some reason. I'll have to read up the directions and see how it all works. But anyway, yeah, it seems like it's a pretty good system. Okay, so like I said, just wanted to do a quick unboxing video of the gun and everything and that whole PPS system. So I think it's going to work out really well. So like I said, I just have a few more things I got to pick up before I can go ahead and get everything going and painted. So I have to go by Nissan and order some, one of each one of the bolts and stuff like that, so I can actually go off like these schematics here to know what goes where, because obviously I have no idea what bolt or nut or screw or whatever is whichever part number off the schematic. So still got to do that, still got to get the other materials and all that stuff, and then should be ready to go start putting the car back together, at the very least, at least the back end of the car, and then maybe parts of the front end of the car. Maybe still a couple of things maybe stripped out and powder coat or have zinc coated again. But for the most part, I'm pretty well done with the powder coating and zinc coating. For sure have one more part. I'm going to do the air box, and I may powder coat the fuel rail too. I was kind of going back and forth on if I wanted to zinc coat it or if I wanted to powder coat it. I'm going to try to go with powder coating. I think it might turn out pretty good, or I may even paint it. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you guys had a great weekend, and I will talk to you later.